Okay, today we're going to do the installation of the double pull on the 3127 DL inlet. And we've already got our inlet installed. It's installed to the ceiling. So now we're just going to go ahead and go through the procedure if you want to double pull it and not use it as a single pull. It comes in the kit. There's a kit that you can buy that shows you how to double pull it. And one of the components is this arm with a bolt and a washer and a nut. And basically you're just going to open the lid, put the bolt and the arm up through there like that. Then there's a nut and a washer supplied. Just put that arm in there. You want to go ahead and tighten that nut up. And now we have our arm we're going to use to do it. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side quick. Okay, now that we've got these arms installed, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install this winch block. And this also comes in the kit. And basically you want to put this winch block fairly close to the inlet and straight down from our arm. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this to the ceiling. Okay, now that we've got this winch block installed on both sides, what we're going to need to do now is install our pull line that we're going to actually use to pull them open and shut. So I'm going to go ahead and bring the pull line through there and get that installed. Okay, now I've got my pull cable pulled through here. It's springed up, it's hooked up to the actuator. I've taken my string that I'm going to use to pull the lid open and shut, and I've taken a stainless steel cable, and this cable will come with the kit also. And you're going to take the string that came along with the inlet. And then it comes with this split nut, zoom nut type thing. Put it through that hole in that arm. Put your string in there. And you basically just pull that tight, pull the cord tight, tighten this up. Open your shutoffs, and now the inlet is ready to function. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side quick. Open the shutoffs on this side. Okay, now I've got both of the cables and the strings all tied in here and it's ready to function. And this is what you would do is if you wanted to do a double pull for the single inlet. You could put two actuators if you wanted to and control the sides separately, or you can have one actuator control them together. But this is the configuration that you would use to double pull the DL3127. Okay, now that we've opened and shut it a couple times, now you would want to go through and readjust it, make sure all your inlets are tight when it's in the closed position, and you should be ready to function as a normal inlet.